All right, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $151.71 worth of goods when it's all said and done at an overage moneymaker of $26.61. And as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. It's for the week of July 21st to July 27th, or July 20th to July 26th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. Today is Thursday. I'm down south, so this is the first day of the sale. I'm going to be trying to do this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away. And also, if you like these deals, please hit the like button. So I missed last week, so I'm going to do this 51 weeks out of the year, so instead of 52. But and also every week, if you look at my past videos, I've had big money makers. I haven't missed a money maker yet in the year and a half or 2 years, however long I've been posting these coupon heists here. So let's get right into the 14 or so best deals of the week, I thought. So get right into it. Some of the deals I did before, did them again, and you know, some deals come back. But let's start with these Splenda Diabetic shakes stacked up high. So these are regular price $9.99. So for 3 of them would cost you $29.97. They're on sale, so they are $6.99 each. So for 3 of them, cost $20.97. And there is a manufacturer printable coupon for $4 off. I got the link as always and a detailed breakdown below. I got the link to print that below. You also found this. There's a peely. If you're new to couponing, this is called a peely coupon. It's manufacturer. You usually peel it off the product. I didn't use that one. The guy used this one. I always try to give little tips. So my tip, the reason I use that one instead of this one expires later. So that's your tip. Use the same value. Use the one that expires first. Makes sense. So I used 3 of these manufacturer printable coupons. There's no limit on them, and each one had a unique pin number there, and that took $12 off using 3 of them. And then Ibotta has $3 off of each one, so that took another $9 off, making that a 3-cent overage right there. All right, you know I love this deal. So always discreet. These are regular $5.99, so for 2 of them with the tax, $12.88. They're on sale this week. All right, so they're $2 off each one, so they're $3.99 times 2 plus the tax, $8.58. I use one of these $5 off manufacturer coupons from the PG of July. That took $5 off. And then at the end, put in your phone number for a Publix digital coupon. That also takes $5 more off. So that's good. And then you submit to Stocking Spree. That takes $2.40. It gives you about $2.40. So, you know, you don't get that right away. You have to build up. You have a whole year, though, to do it. So you'll be able to do it. I've already done 12 of them so far, but you get a $10 Publix gift card when you reach $50 in participating products. This is one of them. So that's roughly $2.40. So in all, that made that a $3.82 overage right there. All right, AZO MS maximum strength tablets. Get the 12 count. They look 24 count, looks the same, but these are regular $5.59. There's a manufacturer printable coupon for $5 off from coupons.com site. So that took $5 off. So for 3 of them, they're, as I said, they're $5.58. So for 3 of them, cost $16.77. And I used 3 of these $5 off coupons. Oh, it does say limited to. They took it anyways, but so that took. Wait a minute, no. I did 2 transactions, so I was okay there. I'm gonna get into that in a minute. But the took $5 off times 3 was $15 off. So these were $1.77 for all 3 of these. Now, also find this. You find this one. This one's even better. The AZ Cranberry urinary tract health. These are regularly $7.79. However, they're $1 off, so they're on sale for $6.79. Use that $5 off manufacturer coupon, and then coupons.com app gives you $5 back on that. So that made that a $3.21 overage right there. And as I mentioned, I did this in 2 transactions. I was working out. I had this category coupon. That means competitor coupon, save a lot. So if you spend $50 in groceries, you get $10 off of your purchase. So I did two separate transactions. So I utilize this and do it twice. Now, if you have a save a lot, I know it expires on the 26th, but if you want this coupon, I could send it to you. I don't know if it'll get there, but leave me a comment and I can send you that. Now, if you didn't have that, you're still gonna have a $6.61 overage. But as I said, I went right over $50 in one transaction, a little over $50 in the next transaction. I was able to use two of these and I'm gonna get into that. So that saved me more. Anyway, Centrum Silver, $9.59 is regular price for this. There is a manufacturer coupon from the save. Unfortunately, I don't have it, but I have where it was. It was right there. So it's $4 off from the save, $7.17. That took $4 off, and then as I mentioned, coupons.com has $4 off. So regular price for this, $9.59. You get $4 off from the save, July 17th. $4 back from coupons.com app, the rebate. So it's $1.51 overage for that. And as I said, they all help me build up to my 50. All right, color grabber and color Carbona, color grabber, Carbona stain scrubber. These are regular price for this guy's $4.39. Add the tax, you're looking at $4.72. Stain scrubber's $3.29. Add the tax, $3.54. Now they're BOGO this week, and I mix and matched here. You might even want to try the washing machine and the other one, but I just got this one. So as you can see, I got both of you. Obviously, BOGO, you're going to pay the higher price, so you get the lower price for free. So it's $4.39 with tax, $4.72 for both of these. And I had two of these hang tags. They were off the carpet cleaner, but they work. And there's also a $1 off coupon inside. So if you previously bought these, you can use that coupon there. So $1 off and $1 off of my $4.72. And then ibotta has 75 cents off of that box and 75 cents off of the stain scrubbers. You're looking at $1.22 overage on those. All right, keep going. Fage vanilla. You gotta get the vanilla, and you gotta get the 0% vanilla yogurt. They're kind of hard to find, but I did find it. So the regular price for these are $6.99. So for both of them, $13.98. You look at the in-store dispenser has a buy one get one free right in front of the product. So that took $6.99 off. So for both of them, as I mentioned, $13.98, $6.99 off from that coupon. And then there is $2.50 ibotta rebate, maximum of 2, so I used 2 of those. Another $5 off right there, and then I had an any item ibotta rebate, so I took 25 cents more off. $1.74 total for both of those Fage yogurts. As I said, they always help me add up to my $50 purchase, so getting my more $10 off. All right, here we go. Dr. Prager burgers. All right. Here we go. This deal has been done before. I had to do it again. $5.79 for these. So for 4 of them would cost you $23.16. However, they're BOGO this week, so $5.79 for you pay for 2 of them instead of 4 of them. So that comes to $11.58. And there's a manufacturer printable coupon. Expires 12/31/22. There's $2 off of each one. I used 4 of those. So I got $8 off right there. Ibotta also has $1.50 off each box. So 4 boxes, that'd be $6 off. So that was a $2.41 over. The last time I bought these, they were $3.83 BOGO, and I did the same deal. I had a big time overage. And to get this coupon, I got the link, as I said, below to print it. You actually got to sign up for their email. Then they send you an email. You confirm that you signed up, and then they send you this coupon. So it happened pretty quick, within 30 minutes or so. I had it. I had one before it expired, so now I got this one that doesn't expire. So I'm sure I'll get some use out of that. Really no limit on it. You can print it much times you want, maximum of 8, I guess. They will only take 8 like coupons, so Publix policy, so you can do that. All right, keep it going. So is it $2.41 overage for those 4 boxes, as I mentioned. All right, perfect bar. Where we got? No, Tates, Tiny Tates cookies. So these are regular $1.25. They're by the register, and there's ibotta has $1 off of it. So make sure it's pre-clipped, because I'm not sure if it's this one. When I looked, it might have been the bigger size. Regardless, it came off. So if you have it pre-clipped and you submit it to Ibotta, it automatically came off. For this one, it may be in Ibotta. I didn't really look, but I think it might be for the bigger size. But anyways, came off, so it only cost me 25 cents for that perfect bar. Where we got? Oh yeah, I love these things. So $2.79 for this guy. Ibotta has a free bar. So $2.99 actually it gave me back. So I paid $2.79, got $2.99 back from Ibotta. 20-cent overage right there. Okay, another deal here. Band-Aid rolled gauze, and they used to be $1.99. They're up to $2.19 now. They raised the price. I always can look at the tag on the top of the tag. It said when they changed the new tag was July 6th. So very recently they raised the price to $2.19. Do some investigation. You can maybe look on the tag and see that the date the tag was printed when they changed the price. But getting in depth here, but these are regularly $2.19 each, so for two of them $4.38, and I also combined that with the children's Zyrtec, which was $11.99. So for both of those, it cost me oh gosh, where are we at? $16 $16.37 for those. And let me get into the reason I went both of those, and I haven't done this, I haven't gotten the money for it, but there's an activate rebate that if you spend over $15 in participating products, you get a $5 gift card. So that was the way I did that on that. Hopefully it'll work out. So that's another $5. But in the meantime, I used this $3 off coupon. So I took $3 off of any Band-Aid products. It's also a 75-cent coupon, which was right here, as you see, and it's a $4 Zyrtec coupon. I wish I had more of them, but I got them. I'll have them tomorrow. But that's there. That children's Zyrtec there. That's what I'm talking about. The $5 off rebate when you try their participating products. I believe if you spend 15, you get 5 off. If you get 10 off, you spend 25. I hit the 5 off, so hopefully that'll come through. That was the coupon I used for the Zyrtec. That took $4 off. Also, a store coupon takes $4 off. So to break it down, as I said, $16.37 spent, $4 off from the manufacturer coupon right there, $4 off from the store coupon, $3 off from the Band-Aid coupon, 75 cents off from the other manufacturer coupon I showed you, and $5 back from the rebate, making that $1.38 overage on those two items. Not the Centrum, the Zyrtec, and the Band-Aid items. $1.38 overage over right there. If it works out, I haven't confirmed that yet, but I'm hoping it will. If not, I'll have only a $21 overage. All right, Rise Coffee. Here we go. These are already $2.99. They are on sale, half price. They're $1.50, and Ibotta has $1 off. $1 off, so that makes it only 50 cents. All right, and last thing, Johnny Pops. Had to get a Johnny Pop here. Help me build up to my two $50 transactions, so I got 10 more off. As we know, I've done this deal before. They're regular $5.49 with tax $5.90, and there's a free coupon. I got the link to print that below. That took $5.49 off the regular price. You don't get the tax off, so it only cost 41 cents, which was the tax. But hey, I got way over on that. I got $20 more to the good, as I mentioned, using two of those, breaking it up into two transactions. Don't get mad at me if you can't do that deal. I'm sorry. But also, I had a $2 in my Publix perk, so check that out. It'll, when you go to the Publix page, look in my wallet, you can find it. You got to click on that, check for that. Or if you're using your cell phone and you go to the Publix site, or if the app, you can maybe find it in there. But I had a $2 off when you spend $10. Obviously, that's very easy to do. Also hit my Weekend Warrior bonus, another $1 to the good. So in total, as I mentioned, $151 plus worth of goods and $26 overage moneymaker. I was gone last week. I'm back. So once again, please subscribe. Funny looking guy right there. Check out more paid to shop videos right there. Everybody enjoy their couponing this week.